In this lecture, we are going to discuss the topic of epipodophylotoxins or topoisomerase 2 inhibitors. Okay, what are that epipodophylotoxins are? So, what are that agents? Etiposide and tenoposide. Okay, etiposide or etoposide, tenoposide are the group of drugs that comes under the epipodophylotoxins. Okay, so these are the drugs that may act on S and G2 phase of cell cycle. So these may act on S phase and the G2 phase of cell cycle. Okay, let we will see the mechanism of action. Before to understand the mechanism of action, we have to know one thing. So topoisomerase, the mechanism of action is that these are the agents that may inhibit the topoisomerase. Okay, so before to understand what is the function of the topoisomerase. Okay, here the topoisomerase. Okay, topoisomerase is an enzyme that regulate the overbinding of the DNA. So what is the function? What is the topoisomerase? Is that regulate the overbinding of or underbinding of DNA. Okay, so then how the overbinding occurs? What is topoisomerase means that may regulate the overbinding of the DNA or underbinding of the DNA. Then how the overbinding of the DNA occurs? Means here overbinding of the DNA occurs because of its interwinding nature of double helix structure of DNA. Okay, here what is the topoisomerase means? That may regulate the overbinding. How the overbinding occurs? Because of interwinding nature of double helical structure of the DNA. Okay, then what is the function of so generally, so before to understand this, where the overbinding occurs, here the overbinding occurs during the DNA replication and DNA transcription. Okay, where the underbinding or overbinding of the DNA occurs means during the DNA replication and transcription. Then what are the function of the topoisomerases now? Then what are the functions? Here the functions of the topoisomerases is that are binding with single strand or double strand of the DNA, and then that may causes the breaks the DNA strand and resealing the broken DNA strands. Okay, then what is the functions of the topoisomerases? Here the topoisomerases are enzymes that may be the topoisomerase 1, that may be the topoisomerase 2. Right? The topoisomerases is an enzyme that may breaks the DNA strands and which may resealing the broken DNA strand. Okay, in case of topoisomerase 1, that breaks only single strand of DNA. Single strands of DNA. In case topoisomerase 2 that may breaks the double strand of DNA. This is the difference between the topoisomerase 1 and 2. Here the epipodophylotoxins are the agents of topoisomerase 2 inhibitors. The meaning of that, these may breaks the double strand of the DNA. Okay, we will see what is the mechanism of action of the epipodophylotoxins. Okay, what is the mechanism of action? So name itself saying these are topoisomerase 2 inhibitors, means here for example adipocyte that may form complex with drug plus topoisomerase complex on DNA, so that may inhibits the resealing of broken DNA, that may causes formation of broken DNA strands. So result in what happens? And next one, the formation of the broken DNA strands result in cell death. So finally the cell death occurs. Okay. Let me tell you the mechanism of action clearly here. So this one topoisomerase, this topoisomerase is binding with DNA, then this topoisomerase breaks the two strands of DNA, that breaks the two strands of the DNA, and next one that may causes the that resealing of broken DNA strands. So because of the resealing of the broken DNA strand, that may forms the relaxed DNA strand. Okay, so next we are giving the drugs are epipodophylotoxins, for example etiposide. Here we are giving the drug of etiposide. This etiposide drug is binding with topoisomerase. After the binding with topoisomerase, that may forms the drug and topoisomerase complex on the DNA. So after the binding, what happened? That may causes the inhibits the resealing of the broken DNA. Right? After the binding with topoisomerase, that may inhibit the resealing of the broken DNA strands. Result in what happened? So result in here the cell death occurs. The broken DNA strands are formed. Result in what happened? A cell death occurs. This is regarding the mechanism of action. Let me tell you once again. Here the etiposide, the drug that is binding with, after binding, the result in drug and topoisomerase complex are formed. These complex that may inhibits the resealing of the broken DNA. These complex that may inhibiting the resealing of the broken DNA strands. Okay, so result in what happened? That formation of the broken DNA strands, so result in cell death occurs. So this is regarding a mechanism of action. So what are the important uses of epipodophylotoxins? What are the uses? Okay, so these are mainly used in the treatment of testicular and lung cancers. Okay, so these are used in the treatment of testicular and lung cancer. So with combination of other cytotoxic drugs. So first important use is that used in the treatment of the testicular and lung cancers with combination of other cytotoxic drugs. And next important use is that, so it is effective use in the treatment of non-Hodgkin's carcinomas. Okay, effective in the treatment of non-Hodgkin's carcinomas and AIDS related Kaposis sarcomas. So these are the two important uses of epiphytophthalotoxins. Let me tell you what are the important adverse effects. Important adverse effect are that, so these may causes the bone marrow suppression, and second one is that it may causes the GIT disturbances. So these are the two important causes of epiphytophthalotoxins. We will discuss the important compound of anti-cancer agents are. So camptothecins are also calling as topoisomerase 1 inhibitors. What are the camptothecin agents are? Topotecan and irinotecan. So both are the agents are camptothecins, analogs are topoisomerase 1 inhibitors. Okay, so what is the topoisomerase? So topoisomerase is an enzyme which is responsible for the break and resealing of DNA. So means that may breaks and resealing of only one strand of the DNA. Okay, so we will see what is the mechanism of action of the camptothecins. What is the mechanism of action? Okay, first, so for example, camptothecin, what happens? Camptothecins that may bind and stabilize the drug and topoisomerase complex 1 complex. So camptothecin bind and stabilize the drug and topoisomerase 1 complex. So result in what happened? That may name itself saying this one is the topoisomerase inhibitors. Resulting that may inhibits the resealing of broken DNA strands. Okay, the broken DNA strands resealing is inhibited, result in here the formation of broken DNA strands. So ultimately finally that may cause the cell death. So this is the mechanism of action of the camptothecin. In case, so camptothecin not affect the breaking of DNA strand, that may affect only the resealing of the DNA strands. We will see the clear mechanism of action once here. The topoisomerase bind with only one single strand of the DNA. So after binding, that may breaks only the single strand of the DNA. After breaks, it may causes the resealing of the broken DNA strand, result in formation of relaxing DNA strand. Here, next one, we are giving the camptothecin agents. For example, here we are giving the camptothecins. So here we giving the camptothecin that may bind with, so this one is a topoisomerase, that is bind with topoisomerase drug plus topoisomerase, the complex is formed. This formed complex is going to be stabilized. Because of the binding with topoisomerase, the complex is stabilized. Okay, so after the stabilization, that may inhibits the resealing of the broken DNA strand. After the binding the complex, that may inhibit the, so because of the stabilization, that may inhibits the resealing, here the inhibiting the resealing of the broken DNA strand. So ultimately what may form? Ultimately the formation of broken DNA strands, or DNA strands are form the broken DNA strands. So ultimately the result in the cell death occurs. This is regarding the mechanism of action of the camptothecins. Let we will see what are the uses. Okay, so important uses of the camptothecin agents are, so used in the treatment of colorectal cancers and ovarian cancers and lung cancers. So the important uses, that the first one used in the treatment of the colorectal cancers, and next one ovarian cancers, and third one lung cancers. Let we will see what are the important adverse effect of camptothecins. The important adverse effect of the camptothecins are, the first one, it may causes the bone marrow suppression. Bone marrow suppression or suppression of the bone marrow. And next one, it may causes the gastrointestinal disturbances or GIT disturbances. This one regarding the camptothecin. Okay, so simple remember that camptothecins are the topotecan, irinotecan, both are the analogs of the camptothecin agents. These may inhibiting the topoisomerase 1 enzyme. Okay, always remember that the difference between the topoisomerase 1 and 2, here the topoisomerase 1 is that may breaks and resealing only one single strand of the DNA. In case of the topoisomerase 2, that may breaks and resealing of the two strands of the DNA.